Hey guys, welcome to our channel Top New Tech. This video is specially made for those people who like to play the games on their mobile phones. So please watch the full video. Do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Now let's get started. Asus has announced two new devices, ROG Phone 6 and the ROG Phone 6 Pro in its gaming-focused Republic of Gamers phone lineup. These phones are for gamers who like to play games because the upgraded displays of these phones look pretty impressive. Both models, ROG Phone 6 and the ROG Phone 6 Pro, run Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with up to 512 GB of storage. These phones have 6.78 inches OLED screens. The size is same as previous ROG Phone 5s, but their 165 Hz refresh rates and 720 Hz touch sampling rates are both considerable improvements over the last model. Same as previous models, these phones have 6000 mAh battery and an upgraded 3-camera setup. The price of Phone 6 will start at approximately $1,000 and the 6 Pro at $1,300. The color of ROG Phone 6 comes in black and white, and the ROG 6 Pro only comes in white. The main difference between the two models is the second OLED screen on the back of the 6 Pro, which is not generally very practical but sort of cool looking. The Pro model provides a bit more RAM. The Phone 6 contains 16 GB of memory, and the Pro will go up to 18 GB. It is enough to say the regular Phone 6 model will probably be enough for most people. Asus is clearly trying to build a phone that people could also use as your everyday device. The company has been slowly rectifying the ROG phone's design over the last few models so it doesn't scream loudly as gamer phone. But this is still a gamer phone. Much of the phone's design is about optimizing cooling. For example, the phrase "we evolved a unique 360-degree CPU cooling technology," it was definitely uttered at some stage in the product's announcement stream. Asus even updated the Aero Active Cooler accessory, which is largely just a giant clip-on fan that doubles as a simple controller for playing the games. The specs of phones like its display's refresh rate and response rate is as impressive as ever. But as usual, the question with the ROG phones is to what end? To play even the most complicated games on Android, you don't need 18 GB of RAM. Asus has a truly spotty history of well-timed software updates too, and is only promising 2 years of Android and security updates for those devices. For the rate, you may likely discover a device to do most phone matters higher. And even as cloud gaming brings greater high-powered games to your smartphone, you just don't need as a great deal on device power to make them work properly. The ROG Phone 6 is a very cool device, but still it doesn't seem like a very practical one. So guys, that is the complete details about these coming gaming phones. Thanks for watching and we hope you like this video. If you like our today's video, please let us know in comment box and share it with your friends. We will meet you soon with another video.